This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Country living near to Hickory schools and Edinburgh shopping center. Updated brick ranch on March 4th acre lot. Enjoy chickens, gardening, greenhouse, and plenty of privacy in your fenced backyard. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, dining room, family room, and updated kitchen and family room. Lots of hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, double ovens, microwave and cabinet above ovens, plus freshly painted inside and out. New driveway and extra pad makes it easy to park and turn around. Don't miss this move-in ready home that is priced to move quickly. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477